Georgetown, gathering lilies from the lotus gardens, then to the market to meet body and son. They go give you the sweet, sweet coconut water from the farmer road. Then to the old village of Tony and family. They go show you how to make delectable Rastafari. Then to the garden, fire up the stove. Is this singing chef adventure 7 Carito?
Over a 5-year period, and it was to find out what was the healthiest.
The student there.
Where?
Southwest London.
Southwest. Right through the quickly. Okay, right. We're just gonna pick up. Oh, sorry. You gonna have any questions?
We're in the and then when they honour things like this. Yeah, we're sacrificing.
What are we gonna do? We've got this. right there. No, right. And the katahar, it's in see, it's in the coconut milk, but with a little bit of cinnamon. I used to put baking powder in there, but it's much better without the baking powder. Ginger is the weirdest looking thing. It's almost like fenugreek. That's ready. And people, you don't move it around too much when you're toasting it. And the way you know is look at the color of this compared to that now. Right? That's all you want, right? Like I'm doing, don't do anything to the side, right? And then all you have to do is, this is actually what makes it powdery, right? What we're gonna do is, right? And you see this, that's the eye or the root or whatever you call it. Don't go through that. Tablespoons. There we go. Put this probably. And I'm gonna put some curry powder as well. And then I just gotta go get some pepper sauce. But if you just mix that together, you don't really have to do much pounding.
Okay.
Gotta mix it, pound it a little bit, you know, because it's like a rough mix. Okay. See, your instinct would be to put a whole lot of water in there, but no, not with these ones, because they made up a lot of water. That one is going to make it too slimy.
Yeah.
And this one is just going to make it too mushy. Still is fine? Yeah. Because you really want to cook it to cook in the masala, right? And this is, again, this is a really, like this is how they cook it with the karahis in India. This kind of cooking, very similar. Okay, that goes in here. This is I go to the market and I make my own tomato sauce. See that lovely color? There's have you ever heard of a korma? Add some yogurt. sweet soap, and I'm a mosquito ninja. I'm an insect killer. I bite up the flesh. I'm wondering what's so special about me. I just kill every mosquito that I see. Oh yes, they bite up my ears, bite up my hand. Them little mosquitoes is the worst ones. To the world of the saint, let me make you sing and your taste buds wet. From the Pomeroon River to East Coast Bobbies, the eastbound shore to Georgetown City, Big Baracaport to the hinterlands, Quarantine River to Linden Town. All we want for you to do, sit back and enjoy the show. So just take your time and then come and let me eat your friend wine. So welcome to the world of the little robin, sing to me, teach me all your melody. Memories still keep coming on. Rainbows and blue skies, better than I realize. Watch the sunshine turn to rain, better sunshine. Mother stands there.